So, next part of the video. Welcome to Kitz Rd. Welcome.
מה זה? איך זה קורה?
Kitz Rd restaurant.
Kitz Rd restaurant.
As you see, we are during the building and the opening, the big opening. Tomorrow we're gonna open. We have the smokehouse and smash burger. See what a huge smoker we have here.
So this is a smokehouse.
It's the big smoker, the big kosher smoker in America.
The biggest kosher smoker in America.
Yeah, absolutely. As you see, it's the final things, the final,
so putting
fixing.
up the pergola right now as we speak.
It's gonna be closed.
It's gonna be open and closed.
The besmidrash of the meat.
The besmidrash of the meat.
Ah.
But here's smokehouse.
Yeah. Look at the big smoker we have here. We just finished making the briskets.
Man, we're in the middle of smoking something now?
We smoked already, but we're finished. Oh!
It's heavy, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a big one.
Smoker.
We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smokers in one place. Crazy.
Wow.
After me, please. Here we have the smash burger.
Smash
We
burger.
open smash burger food truck style. Smash burger, with the cheese, with the
whole
classic,
thing.
yeah, the whole thing. And we have a special golden smash burger. It's 4 layers of the best, the crazy, the tastiest things on the planet, and then golden bun on the top. Chaim, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy.
So this is gonna be out of here. So it's
Out
not
of
ready
here.
yet, but you think tomorrow's going
Everything
to be
is
ready.
ready inside. Wait, I enter. Wait a second. Hello again, Chaim. So everything is ready for the big opening. We have the salads. We have the meats already. We have the sauces. Wait a second.
Oh, every
The
type of
chimichurri and everything.
Chimichurri.
Everything is ready for the big opening tomorrow. Smash, crazy burger. The smash burger, the big platters of the smoky meat, the best smoky meat. I know what I'm saying. And this is the meat area here in the Kitz Rd. Now let's see the second area. Chaim, I want to take you behind the restaurant, not in the front. Come inside.
דלת אחורית.
Coffee machine and the best roasting coffee roaster I think you ever smelled. It's spatial roasting of the beans. Yeah, the flavor. We can blend on that. Boi reach tov apeiros. But it's amazing. It's amazing. And the croissant. Excuse me. Here it's America, but here it's the French area in America. The best croissant.
Give a kick. Look how big that is.
Yeah, this is special from today. This is.
Let's see how it comes out, Cheva.
This is the giant Snickers croissant. Okay, I want to show you what happens inside.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Like you're opening the mouth of the...
Yeah, apartment. Huge. My head.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, we're in America. Everything must be big. No?
The people, the food, that go bagadol.
Yeah. I don't know how it seems from inside. The best croissant.
It's the Dubai croissant, no?
No, this is like Dubai croissant. Yalla balagan. Let's start with a few dishes from the pastry. For the beginning, I want to show you the classic butter croissant. The best croissant, the best croissant, we test him by his layers because it's a long process, not easy process to make this best croissant.
Wow, look at that.
Amazing. I feel like a steak. Good evening, Bismarck. Sorry.
It's a little bit... This is not a steak, this is a croissant.
Sweet master. Okay.
Sweet master.
See, amazing. Amazing.
All the layers.
All the layers and the flavors.
It's crazy stuff.
Butter.
Butter in your mouth. Soft, delicious. It's amazing.
Okay, so those are the croissants.
Now we have the famous TikTok.
We have the famous TikTok fruit shape.
It's crazy.
Okay, and how we taste them?
How do you taste the mango?
How
the
we
strawberry?
test them?
How do you test them?
By the crack. The crack.
the crack from the pickle.
Like I need you crack me. I need to eat all this
How do
shit.
you have to eat?
Part
of America. This is America. You eat.
Oh my God.
So let's get
The
a
wife
crack.
gonna kill me. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay, here's the crack.
The crack.
What the pam? L'chaim. Oof.
Next.
Wow.
You feel you. Oh my God.
Look at that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
It's gorgeous inside.
You can see the chocolate, the lighty mousse, and the puree of red fruits. So freshy, so cold, nice, melty, tender. Oh my God.
Chaval al hazman.
We need tulips.
Who needs soon? What's the name of this?
Here's the fruit flavor.
Fruit flavor.
The fruit shape.
The fruit tic-tac shape.
Yeah.
Yo,
So we have
again.
pistachio, we have mango, we have red fruits, and now let's see the crazy cheesecake, the best cheesecake I think in the world. You must have seen that. So we have the Basque cheesecake. You can see it's so fatty, but I want to show you how we serve it. Which flavor you like more, pistachio or chocolate?
Pistachio.
Pistachio. So let's make crazy cheesecake pistachio style. I have a pistachio, white chocolate pistachio.
Well, so nice. No way. This is crazy. Get my cake pistachio on top over there. And then we go to Dubai. Dubai pistachio. What's so nice? Oh, Hashem.
Now, you can say l'chaim. L'chaim, l'chaim.
L'chaim, l'chaim, l'chaim.
L'chaim. No, wait.
Look how creamy. Look how creamy. Look how creamy that is.
My God. Oh my God.
Ain't my last thought. You have to come down there, guys, yourself. There's nothing you can do about it.
So what do we have in the menu of the bakery? We have special cookie. A lot of flavors, you know, like cookie dough, but pistachio, red fruits, we have nuts, we have Reese's, we have the croissant, of course. We have so many kinds of croissant. We have Dubai chocolate croissant, we have classic, we have chocolate, we have Snickers, we have a lot. And then we have the cheesecake, we have the Nemesis chocolate cake, it's the best chocolate cake in the world. We have the fruits, shape, dessert. We have pistachio, mango, red fruit, and much more. And a lot of things.
On top of that, the coffee. We need the coffee.
Yeah, the garnish and everything. And we have the ice creams. We have the ice cream. As you saw before, we have the coffee.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah, exactly at time.
As we speak
exactly
about the coffee,
at time.
bring us out the coffee.
Thank you very much. So we have the special coffee of Heaven Roast. We roast single origin roasted to perfection. Exactly what's written here. It's exactly what we get.
So it's your own brand?
Yes, our own brand of the best coffee. It's not here, it's in the factory far from here.
And you make it yourself?
Yeah, so the factory is in Connecticut, New Haven, and we roast the coffee as needed. We choose the beans, you know, by kilos, not by tons, by kilos.
Wow.
We choose them, we combine them with other kinds of coffee, and then we get the best coffee. And we have the barista that you saw a minute ago. The barista know how to make from those beans this lovely coffee. We have the cold coffee, we have the hot coffee, we have the cappuccino, we have the mochaccino. We have also, of course, the cold brew, and this is the good coffee. So we saw everything. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
So we saw the smokehouse, the smash, the bakery, the ice cream, the coffee. Now let's eat the pizza.
Pizza, here
Welcome, pizza, welcome. Hello. We have the pizzeria of Bourbon Pizza. We have special pizza here, handmade, sourdough, and the best pizza we can make here in the mountains. Let me show you inside.
I love this.
Come
You
with
have
me.
ketchup over here.
Wait. This is the...
How do you take it? You push?
No, it's the cow. But wait, we milk. Come with me.
Look at this vibe.
So let's start with the flour. We have special flour, Manitoba, high protein for the special crunchy pizza. We have the best machines from Italy to open the dough. The best oven, you can see oven on the rock. Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
It's 500 Celsius
so
degrees.
It moves.
Don't put your hand, it's very hot.
It's a conveyor belt?
Yeah. And we have the best mixer for the dough. And here we prepare the pizza. Let's make a pizza, what do you say?
Yalla!
Let's make pizza.
Let's make pizza. Bring a dough and yalla!
2 minutes and you have your fresh pizza.
On the 2 minutes,
I take the sourdough and I make tiny pizza, single pizza, the size you never seen. What do you like on your pizza?
Give some mushrooms, extra cheese.
No problem. Spicy sauce or
a little
regular?
spicy sauce.
A spicy sauce?
Come over Israel.
Over Israel. Okay, let's put the sauce on the pizza. I like a lot of sauce. And cheese, mozzarella fresca. Mozzarella. Ta.
I see you were in Italy a couple of years.
Yeah, a couple of years, yeah, absolutely. I love Italy and Italian food. Okay, what's next?
A little mushrooms, a little vegetables.
Okay, mushroom vegetables. On the way. Okay, mushrooms on the way. What's next?
A little vegetable, maybe peppers, maybe onions, sauteed onions.
Pepper mix. Okay, wow.
Yalla, in the oven.
What a pizza. Let's make it bigger a bit. And to the oven.
Cheese.
No. More cheese?
Nah, this is enough.
Extra cheese?
It's enough cheese. So how does it go? You put it in the oven.
Yeah.
And now the conveyor belt just moves.
Bye-bye.
It goes in from one side. You know how hot this is, Kevin? This is boiling. This guy learned how to make big pizzas too. Is this what they told you in Italy? Oh, jeez.
See what a lovely dough. Okay. We speak about Italy. We have special thing from Italy. It's called pizza fritta. You know what's pizza fritta? Fried pizza.
Fried pizza?
Hand pizza. You know, everything by hand now. Hand sushi, hamburger. Let's make a hand pizza. Fried pizza or baked. It depends on you. Chaim, sauce. Put the sauce. Put the cheese.
Mozzarella.
Let's put some olives. And we close that like a calzone.
It's crazy.
Look.
It's like you're gonna fry that?
Yeah. This is the first pizza in the world. It's called pizza fritta from Napoli streets. Let's go.
Kevin's gonna fry that in the oven.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
1, 2, 3, ו... All right.
That's it.
Kevin, look at this. The pizza now comes out of the oven. So basically it just goes through the conveyor belt and that's how it comes out.
Oh my God. And now extra cheese.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, he's putting some extra cheese.
You asked for extra cheese.
It's gonna melt now?
Yeah. Now 1 minute in the oven.
Look at that. Crazy. This is your baby.
Here. So where are we sitting? 42 Kitz with a Z. Kitz Rd.
42 Kitz Rd with a Z.
The pizza. We have the pizza. Look
at
single
that pizza.
pizza.
Pizza
Big
pie.
Pizza pie, and of course.
The first ever.
Yeah, hand pizza.
Hand
pizza fritta.
pizza. This is like the sushi, the hand sushis.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the cold pizza. You know, the cheese is not melty. And
very
inside,
cool.
the pizza fritta. I must show you.
Okay, well, look at this. Look, oh my goodness. Wow.
What a bite. It's for you, Chaim.
Pizza in a
It's
cup.
for you.
Pizza in a cone. Look at that, Kevin. Look at that. Wow.
The calzone. The Kitz Rd, guys, thank you very much.
This is amazing.
We have here the pizza, the bakery,
the coffee,
smash, ice cream.
Everything you need. There's a 42 Kitz Rd in Monticello, literally 6 minutes away from Bison Bourbon in White Lake. You have this in Monticello. Kevin, come out here, meet the chef, say hello to him, say so the video.
Wait to see you. Thank you very much. Chaim, you're the best.
After you.
We have the Dutch chips. You see how thin it is? Handmade. And of course, let's milk the ketchup. Oh my God.
Oh,
it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, the filling.
This is insane.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Straight to, oh no.
Come on, Kevin, you milk the spicy mayo onto the chips. L'chaim, some dirty chips.
L'chaim to Chaim.
L'chaim to Chaim, Kevin. Give a kick. And here we have the pizza. Wow. Chaval al hazman.
Chaval.
I love this.